Express log 3 plus 3 log 2 minus 3 log 4 as a single logarithm. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. From logarithm, we know that if we have n log b base a, it can be written as log b exponent n base a. If we have n log b base a, it can be written as log b exponent n base a. So if we apply this here, it means that if we have log 3 plus 3 log 2 minus 3 log 4, we can write it as log 3 plus log 2 exponent 3 minus log 4 exponent 3, because as you can see here, if we have n log b base a, we can write it as log b exponent n base a. So if we have 3 log 2, we can write it as log 2 exponent 3. And if you have 3 log 4, we can write it as log 4 exponent 3. Okay, let's continue. 2 exponent 3 will give us 8, and 4 exponent 3 will give us 64. So this becomes log 3 plus log 8 minus log 64. Let's add log 3 to log 8. Once again, from logarithm, if we have log b base a plus log c base a, we will have log b times c base a. So if we apply this here, then log 3 plus log 8 will give us log 3 times 8. And so you have log 3 times 8 minus log 64. 3 times 8 will give us 24, and so you have log 24 minus log 64. We have to subtract log 64 from log 24. From logarithm, once again, we know that if we have log b base a minus log c base a, this will give us log b divided by c base a. So if we apply this here, then log 24 minus log 64 will be equal to log 24 divided by 64. 24 divided by 64 will give us 3 divided by 8. And so it means that when we express log 3 plus 3 log 2 minus 3 log 4 as a single logarithm, we will have log 3 divided by 8. When we look through the options here, we can see that the correct option is option A, log 3 divided by 8.